Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. I mean, this hair is amazing. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you guys how I'm going to finesse this unit by Donna Prescott Beauty, located in Brooklyn, New York. So if you want to get a unit like this, make sure you check her out, Donna Prescott Beauty, on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. This is a raw Indian wavy 18-inch virgin hair, and it's a closure. It's a closure, and I didn't do much to this hair, and you will see in the video. I am someone, I like to put on my unit, maybe add a little curl or straighten it and go. I like things that are simple and just very to the point. So this unit, this is perfect for me. It's a glueless unit, so it's made exactly for your head shape. There is a clip in the back to secure it, and basically that's it. There's no glue, there's no spray. Think I'm lying? Let me show you. That's it. And it's secure, baby. Secure. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Hair is amazing. It's beautiful. It's luscious. It takes curls extremely well, as you can see. I washed it, I shampooed it, I conditioned it, then I air dried it. And then after I blow dried to make sure that the wefts were not too wet, I added a little product. Those were the two products that I use, a heat protector and a shine spray. And I use a curling wand, and I achieved this look with this hair. So if you want to see me getting this hair on my head, continue watching. So this is the unit right after I gave it maybe about a couple hours of air drying. The hair felt dry for the most part, but the wefts were still wet, and I didn't want it to be too damp on my head. So I wanted to make sure that I get the blow dryer and a paddle brush and just dry everything thoroughly, and to also straighten it up a bit before I can get the curl wands in. I also noticed that the top of the unit was the most part that was damp, and I wanted to focus on that. So yeah, I'm just making sure that everything is thoroughly dry, everything is straight for the most part, and as you can see, it's starting to straighten up really well. This hair is soft. It takes heat very well from what I could tell from the blow dryer. So yeah, okay, right now this is the cap, the construction of the cap in the inside. You can see that it was beautifully made. There's two bands at the back to secure it, if you please, just to get it extra secure. And if you want, you can ask for it to come with combs, or you could put the combs in yourself. I don't really like the combs because it pulls my hair. Right there, I'm just showing you the part that I'm going to cut out for the lace. And this is my hair underneath the wig cap, and I'm just going to put this baby right on. Right on. Look how the lace is melting with my skin, and I haven't even cut it off yet. She also bleached the knots, so yes, this is secure. Secure. It's not going anywhere. Glueless closure. It's not going anywhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a middle part. I really had no idea where I was going to go with the styling. So, I mean, some closures you can choose to do a side part if you wish, but I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do yet. So I'm going to put some, I think this is setting lotion, right? Or wrapping foam. I know my mom used to use this when she would set her hair at night and put her curlers. But yeah, this is setting lotion, just going to allow the hair not to be so poofy so that it can lay flat. I didn't want to use a hot comb again because I wasn't so sure as to what style I wanted, and I wanted to see the hair like more so in its fullness. And I also chose not to pluck the the part. I wanted to leave it just like that because to me, just that way it's fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and cut that lace. And that part, you just want to use a small scissors, small sharp thin scissors like what I have here, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that lace. So now that's out, I'm taking a heat protector and I'm going to section it off. I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to go and give it some beautiful curls using a curl wand. Just putting this on the side so it doesn't get in the way. I am not a hairstylist. I am not a hairstylist. I am not a hairstylist. So I'm doing the best I can with what I have, and it works for me. So that's just me giving it some one curls. I'm going to speed up the following clips because I'm sure you guys pretty much know what to do from here. Just putting some curl wands in the entire unit, and then I'm going to zhuzh it up a bit, and we'll get back to see what the finishing looks like.